Hello, this is Reverend Dr. Pasila from India. And now I'm going to talk about the church in India and also around the globe. So ours is a Victor's ministry. We have main church and village churches. And in India, the city where I'm living, 80% churches were closed. They're not open. There's no lockdown, but still they're not opening the churches. By the grace of God, we are having 3 services on every Sunday. All the church are attending. And by the grace of God, we celebrated some marriages, and also we did some burials and memorial services. And the programs are going as usual. And the church congregation are attending church as usual. And God is protecting our whole congregation from this coronavirus. Coming to my part, as a pastor of the church, as the overseer of the church, every day morning by 4:30 I get up and I spend time in the prayer. I uphold all the church members and the village church people in my prayers for their protection from this coronavirus. Up to my knowledge, the coronavirus will not touch the children of God. If you see the things happen in the Egypt, the death not touched the Israelites in the Egypt during that time, because they applied the blood of lamb to their doors. So that is a sign death will not enter into that house. So if you go to the Revelation, the angel came and told the 4 angels in the 6th seal, hold, wait for some time. I have to give mark on my God's children. So the angel is giving mark on our heads. The God's children will have the mark on their heads, on their foreheads. For such people, the coronavirus will not touch. For such people, the diseases will not touch. I want to convey this message to the church in the world. God's servants and God's children will not be affected by this coronavirus. Coming to my personal experience, I'm 67 years of old. I'm not having BP till today. I have no diseases. Coronavirus will not do anything to me because I'm the child of the living God. So I want to convey the message to the church in the world. You believers, nobody can cheat God. Do not cheat yourself. Check yourself where you are. Saturate yourself. And God gave the great promise to us. When we confess our sins, He will forgive our sins. He will make us holy in His sight. No disease will touch you. No problems will touch you. You will be protected highly on the face of the earth to live as a living witness to the living God. May God bless you, and think on this matter. Live as a God's children.